Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Review for You, your go-to channel for the best Amazon finds to simplify your life. Today we're exploring the best budget EDCs of 2024. Whether you're an EDC pro or a newbie, we have fantastic picks. Let's get started. First up is the Pocket Folding Knife. This beauty features a high-performance 14C28N blade known for its corrosion resistance and excellent edge retention. This knife is a reliable companion from cutting rope to opening packages. And it's not just a knife, it doubles as a bottle opener, perfect for unwinding after a long day outdoors. Opening it is a breeze with its button lock and thumb stud. The ceramic ball bearing pivot ensures smooth operation, and the button lock is perfect for those who enjoy a little fidgeting. The handle is crafted from lightweight aluminum, making it durable and sleek. With a reversible deep carry clip, it caters to both lefties and righties. At just 2.82 ounces, it's lightweight and pocket-friendly. Plus, it has a lifetime warranty for ultimate peace of mind. Next, we have the 3.5-liter Sling Bag with RFID Blocking. This bag is all about versatility and security. It easily transitions from a chest bag to a sling bag to suit your needs. Inside, there are 3 compartments to organize your essentials like your phone, wallet, and keys. And the water-resistant nylon fabric keeps everything dry. Its RFID blocking feature protects against unauthorized scans, making it perfect for travel. With its lightweight design and adjustable strap, it's comfortable for all-day use. Compact yet spacious, it's an excellent choice for everyday carry. Next is the Multitool Pry Tool. This handy tool combines a crowbar, knife, bottle opener, and 2 screwdriver bits into one compact design. Crafted from CNC forged material, it's durable and corrosion resistant, making it perfect for prying, scraping, or other tough jobs. Its small size and lightweight build make it easy to carry on your keyring or pocket. It's a versatile must-have for any EDC setup. Our next item is the OLIGHT IMINI 2 Keychain Flashlight. Don't be fooled by its size. This flashlight delivers 50 lumens of balanced light. It's rechargeable via USB and fully charges in just 60 minutes. The magnetic base allows hands-free use by attaching to any iron surface. Compact, bright, and rechargeable, it's perfect for your keychain. These compact binoculars offer 12x magnification and a 25mm objective lens, providing a wide and clear view. Ideal for birdwatching, hiking, or sports events. Adjustable eye cups make them glasses friendly, and the large eyepieces ensure comfort and clarity. Lightweight and easy to carry, they're designed for one-handed use and come with a strap for added convenience. Next is the classic Ultralight headlamp. Weighing just 1.34 ounces, it delivers up to 360 lumens of brightness. It features USB-C charging and up to 97 hours of runtime on its lowest setting. The battery indicator ensures you're always prepared. With its durable, waterproof design, it's perfect for camping, running, or any outdoor adventure. For added stability, we have the tactical leg strap thigh belt. Its thick, elastic, and non-slip neoprene lining ensure a secure fit. The adjustable strap and quick-release buckle make it easy to use, ideal for securing holsters or gear. Next is the OLIGHT Baldr Weaponlight. It emits up to 800 lumens and features a green beam for precision. The dual ambidextrous switches offer easy operation, and it's compatible with most GL or Picatinny rails. It's rechargeable and runs up to 140 minutes on low mode. Next up is the Raiseek Molle Double Pistol Mag Pouch. This durable pouch fits single and double stack magazines and attaches easily to tactical gear. It also holds flashlights or tools and features magic tapes for labeling calibers. Finally, we have the Maxpedition E.D.C. Pocket Organizer. This rugged pouch keeps your essentials organized. Made from tough 1000 denier nylon with YKK zippers, it's built to last. The Molle straps make it easy to attach to tactical gear. Inside, it features elastic loops and slip pockets for effortless organization. And that wraps up our top picks for the best budget-friendly EDCs of 2024, all available on Amazon. Let us know your favorite in the comments or share your go-to EDC gear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.